the year 1980 onwards, for the veteran people, veteran airmen, Air Force Association is started at New Delhi, the central chapter. Thereafter, all over states, districts and cities, it has been organized, and today we, air veteran of Vizag city, Vizag district, organizing our first foundation day of Air Force Association Vizag chapter. And I hope it will expand to the whole of Andhra Pradesh. This is the day we remember our war heroes who have lost their lives and who sacrificed their life for the motherland, for defending our country. And as air veteran, our mission and the vision is to motivate the younger generation to guide them, and the society where we live, we should serve them till our death. I feel proud to be an Air Force veteran, and I thank one and all the dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, to my core of the heart. Thank you very much.
I express my deep sense of gratitude to Mr. Sahu for having invited me to this function. When he called me, I was in fact surprised that this call is coming from an unknown person. Then he introduced himself to me and said, "Sir, this is the object with which we are going to launch this program, AFA, Air Force Association." Of course, that much he briefed me, and he did not tell me anything about what is this, why it started, what are its objectives and all that. But within these few minutes of association with him and all of you, I could understand that this is mostly for the welfare of the veterans, and also on the other side, how to motivate youth to join the Indian Air Force. Let us not worry about all armed forces, Navy, because we can't take everything. It's very difficult to comprehend. First Air Force, because we are from Air Force, and no one from other forces, right? The Air Force taught me how to be disciplined. క్రమశిక్షణతో ఎలా ఉండాలి అని ఇండియన్ ఎయిర్ ఫోర్స్లో ఫస్ట్. అంటే క్రమశిక్షణ లేని వాళ్ళకి ఎక్కువ పనిచేస్తుంది, అది క్రమశిక్షణతో ఆల్రెడీ ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి అదేం పనిచేయదు, ఎందుకంటే ఇంకా ఫర్దర్ అవుతుంది తప్ప దానివల్ల పెద్ద. అంటే ఆల్రెడీ మనం విలేజెస్ నుంచి వచ్చే వాళ్ళని కొంత క్రమశిక్షణతో వస్తాం.